How to use half-price delivery at GS25. Go to the convenience store and find this machine. Currently closed, but if you register now, they'll collect it tomorrow. Pay for boxes, scissors and tape. There are different size boxes. Once you've done everything, you just place them in here. On the machine, press half price delivery, agree, and I'm going to send store to store. Here you can make a membership, or you can do it as a guest. Weigh your parcel. It'll only take a few seconds to calculate, and then press check. Hagin. So I'm sending cloves, so I'm going to press cloves. And make sure you don't have any of these restricted items. How much is your item worth? Put the price down. You can choose the store by searching. This one is store, and this one is address. Again. So I made the membership. Having 200 won off was not worth the time. It's probably better to just do it as a guest. Have the summary, press agree, and print. Stick the big sticker onto your parcel and place it into the bags. The small sticker is your receipt and tracking number. Bring it to the counter and pay.